Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Chateau my cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Baby, I love myself.
Good morning, guys. Don't mind the beat. There's a lot going on. Welcome back to my channel. I didn't even say hi to you guys. Oh my word. We finally have electricity after 2 weeks. Like, I was going through the most. I remember on Thursday, I was literally going through a lot because of this mess. Tell me why we didn't have electricity for a whole 2 weeks. And there was no explanation. Nobody knew what was going on. But we back, baby. We are alive. Guys, my eye is a bit swollen. But I think it's getting better now. Yesterday was worse. I was literally going through it. I'm just busy cleaning. Today we're going to have a day in the house. I really don't want to, I don't have much to do, but I wanted to do something different for the channel, like do a little clean with me, maybe cook with me, we'll see. But I'm just busy cleaning because this house was a mess, child. For the past 2 weeks we have literally been in the dark. So I go to work in the morning, come back at 5, so it was just a mess. I'm only getting to clean properly today, and guys, like, it's a mess. So that's what I'm doing now. It's currently, I think, 8:30 or 9 o'clock. I'm not sure, 8:30 or 9 o'clock. And the weather is actually not bad today. Like, I really like the weather. It's a bit warm. We've been in winter for like 5 years now. We can't. Winter must just. And I also want to do some reels. Remember, I was complaining I can't do reels, I can't film, I can't do nothing. So that's what I want to do today. I didn't even wash my face. I want to do some reels, I want to do some TikToks just to catch up a little, because I really missed this. I missed being on my phone. Oh my god, my arm. But yeah, let me quickly finish up everything, and we'll see how the day goes. If it's gonna be a day vlog, I doubt it because there's really nothing much happening. And yeah, can we take a moment for my skin? Okay, I didn't even comb my hair. Don't mind the hair. My skin has been giving lately. It's really giving, like, I don't know, is it just me or get the iPhone? Because iPhones sometimes they just lying to people. It is also starting to grow. I think I'm gonna go back and cut it like shorter because my hairline is still not there, so I can't be braiding as yet. So I want to cut it way shorter than before, and then maybe at that by then my hairline will grow. So I'll show you guys what I'm using for my hairline. Hopefully that helps. I've been using it for since I cut my hair, which is like a month now, and I don't really see much of a difference because obviously sometimes I skip. Oh, these braids. Sometimes I skip. I'm not that consistent, but for the past 2 weeks I've been really trying to be consistent on that. Okay guys, let me stop blabbering and cutting. Also, I want to take a long bath. You guys know how much I miss that. So if you're from Zim, right, you know how it goes usually. So how I was bathing is I was boiling water and then I put in a bucket and I bath from the bucket in the tub. So that's a norm, but if you're from Zim, that's a norm. I mean, almost everybody does that. So now, I was boiling one big pot on the gas stove, two big pots, and of course you're bathing, but you're not really there, you know. So today I wanna fill up the tub because there's no way, guys, let's not take electricity for granted. I was going through hell this past 2 weeks. Literally going through hell. Can't charge my phone. And you guys know iPhones. You always need to have a power bank, or you need to be charging. I don't have a power bank. I should really invest in getting one because I was suffering. Hey guys, so I'm just masking my face. Oh, Sana. I'm using the Curate, you guys already know, but this time around I'm using the avocado one. It says it's a lifting mask, so we'll see about that. But I just finished cleaning, took a bath, I feel fresh, but I'm starving. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna eat because there's nothing in the house. Because for obvious reasons I couldn't keep anything in the fridge, so I was literally buying, if I wanted to cook I was buying meat every day. Okay, so I'm gonna figure out what to cook. I also washed my hair, that's why it's in a towel. Oh Gonja, I wanted to show you guys what I'm using for my hair, but I'll show you guys a bit later. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to spa because we have a local spa. I think I'm gonna go to spa and then get a few things I might take you guys along with. Bear in mind that's where I got mugged last time, so I'm always extra careful when I go there. I never take my phone with me, but for you guys today I'm taking my phone with me. I mean, they can't dribble me again. So I'm literally sitting on the floor because I wanted the sunlight. Yeah, I'm feeling good. I was vibing to some music. Period. Okay, I literally have a tripod right in front of me. I'm gonna take off the mask, go to spa, and figure out what to eat. See you guys later. Oh, by the way, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe, become part of my family, and if you haven't clicked on the notification bell, please do so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video, so that you'll be on the VIP list. You'll be the first to see the video, okay? So yeah, if you're new here, welcome. Ooh, I look so scary. Yeah. Bye.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster from what my dreams you witness. Oh, it tells them
But tell me why 4 wings are 30 rand. Jan.
questioning what it's done. They used to be out of reach. Like you're texting me, you're the system. You pull cord press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. No, I want to be around. You plug fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. I'm turning more into my heart, didn't think the end would be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Can we no longer time without? Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep.
I'm about to make something to eat because I'm starving, and then let me pack away the groceries, well, mini groceries, make something to eat, and get into my reels because I'm already feeling tired, child. I cleaned the whole house, so yeah, let me get to do that. Hey guys, let me know what you guys think about me filming when I'm cooking or when I'm just at home. Please do let me know because I'm really trying to do that and see if that can actually be something enjoyable, because I always film when I'm going out, when I'm going with my friends, or when I'm going shopping or things like that, but I want to try to do something while I'm at home. So please do let me know. And there's my tripod there. Ended up not doing any reels because we had load shedding at 12 until 2 and my battery was like on 10%, so I didn't do that. I'll probably do that tomorrow. Yeah, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's continue.
I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I'll hear this. I'll hear this.
Cooking. I'm so tired. I'm about to dig in. I'm tired, guys. You can see, but like you can just see my face. Let's eat and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay, I took a bath. What is this? Oh, something is on my hand. I don't even know what it is. Eh, how weird. Good morning, guys. I literally just woke up 30 minutes ago, took a bath, and now I'm having green tea. It is the next day, it's a Sunday. The weather is looking beautiful. I love this weather. It's not cold, it's not windy. It's just, normal. I'm so tired of winter at this point. It's been like, how many months now? Feels like it's been forever. Okay, I can't zoom in. Anyway, so welcome to another day. It's currently like 8:30. I'm gonna set up for my reels. That's the main reason why I woke up early. Guys, on weekends, if I don't have anywhere to go or anything to do, I usually wake up around like 10, 11. I wake up maybe 8 and then just chill in bed until like 11. But because a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do, I'm awake. I have like 3 outfits. Is it 3? I don't know, 3 outfits or 4. I wanted to do my makeup, but I feel like my eyes is still a bit swollen, so I'm not gonna do makeup. I don't want to irritate it because child, it's just gonna be painful. So I did my face. I think I'm gonna wear a wig and then just outline my eyeliner, my lips, put some lip gloss and look cute. So that's what we're doing today. Ooh, hope you guys are doing great. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me get busy while I finish off this tea. Yo, guys, I am so tired. Like, I can't even explain it. I can't even explain how tired I am. And I'm really not sure if I like all the outfits, honestly. And I ended up not putting on a wig because I looked a bit weird. I know it's a wig I've been wearing, but it's been long since I wore it, so I looked a bit weird. And I'm also putting on this nose ring. I got this nose ring from Shein, you guys. This is my first time actually putting it on. I bought 3, but they break so easily, but so cute. But anywho, I think we've made it to the last part of the vlog. I really wanted to vlog this weekend and just show a different side of me. Chilled indoors kinda weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and become part of my family. Please do turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Okay, skin is skinning. Let me pick away the mess because it's a mess, honestly. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I want to upload this video today, actually. That's why I edited the other part last night. I'm back. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.